People who use Brew for the first time imagine creating screens freely on canvas, just like with conventional screen creation software. However, in order to utilize layout features such as the grid feature, which is a Brew software concept, you must learn how to think beyond that. The basic framework is the dock panel. This feature allows you to freely scale and scroll the screen as if you were using a Windows screen. Let's first give the overview of the dock panel functionality. Various Brew layout objects, such as content display, grid, and stack panel can be placed in the dock panel. If the height and width of the object are not fixed, it will be automatically resized to fill the entire dock panel. This feature is suitable when you want to adjust the height and width of the screen while the HMI is operating. Objects placed in the dock panel will have a dock item added to their properties. This item allows you to set which area objects are placed up, down, left, or right. You may also want to place multiple objects in the same direction. In that case, you can change the arrangement order of the objects by opening Object List in the right window of the Brew editor and manipulating the Z layer. Objects in the dock panel can be closed or opened by toggling the animation visibility property between visible, hidden, and collapsed. The closed space will be automatically filled by other objects by scaling. Now let's actually set it up. Create a new screen and select Dock Panel. Place the grid object in the dock panel. Fix the height to a small value for the header. This time, fix it to 80 pixels. Let's set the left column as 2 times the width of the right column. Enter 2 to the left of the asterisk. Place some objects on the grid for the header. Next, place the stack panel object on the dock panel. Then, the grid and stack panel for the header will be lined up on the left and right. If you select grid for header and set the location dock property to top, it will be fixed to the top edge. Next, select stack panel and fix the width to a small value. This time fix it to 200 pixels. Set the dock property of location to right in order to make the stack panel a side menu. Next, place a switch object to enlarge or reduce the side menu. Fix the width of this switch to a small value. This time fix it to 80 pixels. And then set the dock property to the right. Finally, place content display. This will be the main screen object. If you want to rearrange objects that have the same dock property, you can change the order in Object List. Specify the content screen. We created one in advance for demo purpose. Place text indicating that it is a stack panel on the stack panel. Next, set switch operation properties to control the stack panel's visibility. For the destination property, enter the visibility property of the object you want to scale. Here select the visibility of the stack panel object. First, set the stack panel's visibility to collapsed in order to collapse the stack panel. Now let's check the operation. When you turn the switch on off, the side menu will scale, and the main screen will be automatically resized. By using the dock panel feature in this way, you can easily create the screen that can automatically adjust, like Windows or smartphones.